Here's a quick look at the Sawyer Mini water filter system. That's the actual size on the box. That's what comes in the box. The kit comes in the box. Instructions on how to do it, how it works. It says here it helps filtrate water in charities, and so yeah, helps give back to the community, which is really good. And really, first look at it, it is really light. It doesn't weigh anything. It feels like it could fit in my pocket pretty much. Anyway, so let's open it up and have a look. Using my little Gerber. So yeah, look at that. It's tiny, tiny little thing. Amazingly small. So better. This is going to be for my my get home kit. So that's the warranty card, tips and tricks. So that's it. All in a go. It's nice little kit. That is really light. I mean that would fit in your pocket. I mean and it does 100,000 gallons. That's incredible. It won't do viruses, but pretty much everything else will filter. And remember, if you've got a lot of dirty water going in, you're going to clog this up pretty quick. So yeah, I mean it's if you're filtering fairly fresh water, clean water, it's going to last a lot longer. Anyway, that's the unboxing of the Sawyer Mini filter, and I'll get it out some other time for a go. Cheers, thanks for watching.